Hi, 1 Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to change an Apple Airtag battery. In order to change the Airtag battery, you need a CR2032 battery. We've got links to those below on Amazon. Now, to change the Airtag battery, all you're going to do is take your Airtag and you need to press in on the sides of this and then rotate it counterclockwise. So I'm going to press right here and then rotate counterclockwise with my two fingers, and then that's going to open the battery compartment here, and I can just dump out the existing battery. I tap it like that, and then I'm going to take my new battery, and you want to make sure that you have the plus symbol facing up on the Airtag. So you put that in there, the plus symbol facing up on the battery, and then you can put your door back on to the Apple Airtag. And now all I'm going to do is press down, and now I'm going to rotate clockwise on this to lock it in place. And all I'm going to do is press down and rotate clockwise on that cover to lock it into place. And all I'm going to do now is press down on the cover like so, and then rotate that cover clockwise to lock it into place. And all I'm going to do now is press down on the edges of the cover and then rotate clockwise to lock it into place. So you can see it rotate there, and I rotated it clockwise, and now I can't get that battery door off. So that is how you change an Apple Airtag battery. Please give us that thumbs up, subscribe, and click any links below. So that is how you change an Apple Airtag battery. If you need the battery, check in the description below and give us that thumbs up. And that is how you change an Apple Airtag battery. And that is how you change an Apple Airtag battery. So check out the description below for a battery that will work with the Airtag, and give us that thumbs up and subscribe. We'll see you next time.